Hi guys, this is the cool down for Unit 2, Lesson 8, In Search of Equivalents. For each problem, explain or show your reasoning. Use a number line if it helps. So you did not have to use a number line. You could have used another method, but you have to explain or show reasoning. For this example, I am going to use a number line because they provided them to me. So name a fraction that is equivalent to 9/10. Well, I'm going to go ahead and put 9/10 on my number line. So remember, one whole is equivalent to 10/10. So let's see, so half would be 5/10. Okay, so then I'd probably have like 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10. Okay, so that's where 9/10 would be. So I need to think of a fraction that is equivalent to 9/10. Well, I did notice, let's see, 1, 2, that could be a fraction. 1, 2, that could be 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. Well, that didn't really work. What am I thinking here? I thought those boxes would help me, and they didn't. What if I did fifths? Because I know 2/5 equals, no. 2/10 equals 1/5. So I could do like 1/5, 1, 2, 2/5, 1, 2, 3/5, 1, 2, oh, that's not going to work. Okay. Well, I could also do this. So if my fifths don't work, I could cut each section in half, right? So then, oh, I would have 20 equal parts, and 9/10 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Aha! 18/20. A much faster way would have just been to multiply your numerator and your denominator by 2. But if we're using a number line, that's what I would have done. Number 2, is 8/5 equivalent to 15/10? Okay, so first let's do 8/5. So this is one whole, or 5/5. So that would be like 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. So then if I was a little ant and I started here, I would go 5/5, and then I would go back again and go 6, 7, 8. So, because it's more than one whole. So is it equivalent to 15/10? Well, now I've got to split each of these in half to make tenths, right? And then I'm going to be a little ant again. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But then I have to go back and do 5 more because it's 15 tenths. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I would be right here. Well, I think I can confidently say no because they don't line up on the number line. A little faster way would be saying, okay, 8/5, oops, there we go, 15 tenths. Well, 5 times 2 is 10, so if they're equivalent, then what I do to the bottom, I do to the top. Well, 8 times 2 is 16, not 15, so they are definitely not equivalent.